Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Digicom Service. Sometimes while using TextNow, we face a common problem where a pop-up appears saying, "An error has occurred." Don't worry, this is a very common issue, and today I'll show you how to fix this error in a few simple steps. Before opening the app again, go to the Play Store and download a super proxy application. After installing the Proxy app, add a US-based residential proxy, exactly the way I've shown in this video. Once the proxy is connected, go to your phone settings, open apps, select TextNow, and clear both cache and data. Now, reopen the TextNow app and log into your account again. That's it. Your account should now log in successfully, and you can start texting and calling your favorite contacts and others without any issues. Make sure you follow all the steps properly for the best result. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Digicom Service for more useful tutorials and solutions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.